because I met so many different artists and so many different medias. I'm not going to stick to just ink and watercolor now.
The vibe is very vibrant. I really like it.
I think it's very organized. I really salute the committee. I don't know, very diligent, and even though like a lot of challenges, but it's really good.
The event is fantastic and Penang is hot. But no, we had a great time.
我第一次来到槟城，我觉得这个城市非常的有味道。
Wonderful, very well organized. Perfect time and very hospitable people.
整个的环境让人家很放松，非常棒。
I really enjoyed the sketch talks last night. So much fun.
Penang is very, very beautiful because I'm architect. I love old city in Penang.
Like the British influence on architecture as well as the Chinese influence. So you can see two contrast different styles, but it is very fun to sketch and experiment around.
This is very hot and with hot people.